This humble root vegetable is secretly a nutritional powerhouse, backed by Harvard research, loved by Japanese centenarians, and recommended for diabetics. Today, we're revealing 5 shocking benefits and 3 chef-approved recipes you need to try. Benefit 1, Nutrient Density Champion. Let's settle the debate. 1 cup of baked sweet potato delivers 400% of your daily vitamin A, versus 0% in white potatoes. 4 times more fiber, which controls cravings. 37% lower glycemic load, proven in nutrition journal studies. Notice how sweet potatoes keep you full for hours. That's the fiber and slow-release carbs at work. Benefit 2, Diabetes Game Changer. A 2023 study in diabetes care found diabetics eating sweet potatoes had 23% lower fasting glucose. The secret? Adiponectin, a hormone that improves insulin sensitivity. Pro tip from nutritionists. Roast them with the skin on, that's where the fiber is. Pair with protein like Greek yogurt to flatten the glucose curve further. Benefit 3, Gut Health Hero. Resistant starch in cooled sweet potatoes acts like prebiotics, fueling your gut's good soldiers to fight inflammation. Here's a hack. Cook a batch, refrigerate overnight, and reheat. This boosts resistant starch by 50%. Benefit 4, Immunity Booster. 1 sweet potato packs more beta-carotene than 23 cups of broccoli. It converts to vitamin A, critical for immune cells that even fight cancer according to NIH research. Benefit 5, Skin and Vision. The same beta-carotene that fights infections also reduces wrinkles by 40% in dermatology trials, and prevents night blindness. Now for the recipes. First, turmeric black bean stuffed sweet potatoes, the ultimate anti-inflammatory combo. Second, cinnamon pecan mash, a diabetic-friendly dessert. Third, Japanese purple sweet potato hopia pie, an Okinawan superfood twist. Your turn. Will you try the blood sugar hack, the gut cooling trick, or the Japanese recipe? Comment below.